Good morning dear students. Today is my topic periodic table. Modern periodic table is based on Moseley M-O-S-E-L-E-Y Moseley's periodic. According to Moseley's periodic law, physical and chemical properties are periodic functions of atomic number. Okay dear students. Modern periodic law. This modern periodic table is represented by me. In this periodic table, 18 groups are present and 7 periods are present in this periodic table. This periodic table is divided into 4 blocks: S block, P blocks, D blocks and F block. In P block, total 14 elements are present. In this block, from H to F are first group, and from HE to RA total 14 elements are present. In D block start from 21 scandium to 30 zinc, which is known as 3D series, and 39 ytterbium to 48 cadmium 4D series, in which 10 elements are present. Next series is 5D series, from 57 lanthanum to 80 Hg 10 elements are present, and 89 actinium to 112 copernicium 10 elements are present. So we can say total D block elements are 14. Now in F block elements, 58 cerium to 71 lutetium total 14 elements are present, which is known as lanthanide elements, and 90 thorium to 103 lawrecium total 14 elements are present, which is known as actinides. So we can say in F block elements total 28 elements are present. Okay dear students. Now see here, atomic number, first element is hydrogen, 2 atomic number is helium, 3 atomic number is lithium, 4 atomic number is beryllium, 5 atomic number is boron, 6 atomic number is carbon, 7 atomic number is nitrogen, 8 atomic number is oxygen, 9 atomic number is fluorine, 10 atomic number is neon, 19 atomic number is potassium, 20 atomic number is calcium, 21 is scandium, 22 is titanium, 23 is vanadium, 24 is chromium, 25 is manganese, 26 is iron, 27 is cobalt, 28 is nickel, 29 is copper, 30 is zinc, 31 is gallium, 32 is germanium, 33 is arsenic, 34 is selenium, 35 is bromium, 36 is proton, 37 is rubidium, 38 is strontium, 39 is ytterbium, 40 is zirconium, 41 is niobium, 42 is molybdenum, 43 is technetium, 44 is ruthenium, 45 is rhodium, 46 is palladium, 47 is silver, 48 is cadmium, 49 is indium, 59 is stannous tin, 51 is antimony, 52 is tellurium, 53 is iodine, 54 is xenon. Next, 55 is cesium, 56 is barium, 57 is lanthanum. Next, 58 is cerium, 59 is praseodymium, 60 is neodymium, 61 is promethium, 62 is samarium, 63 is europium, 64 is gadolinium, 65 is terbium, 66 is dysprosium, 67 is holmium, 68 is erbium, 69 is thulium, 70 is ytterbium, 71 is lutetium. Now 72 is hafnium, 73 is tantalum, 74 is tungsten, 75 is rhenium, 76 is osmium, 77 is iridium, 78 is platinum, 79 is aurum, 80 is mercury, 81 is thallium, 82 is lead, 83 is bismuth, 84 is polonium, 85 is astatine, 86 is radon. Next is 87 is francium, 88 is radium, 89 is actinium, 90 is thorium, 91 is protactinium, 92 is uranium, 93 is neptunium, 94 is plutonium, 95 is americium, 96 is curium, 97 is berkelium, 98 is californium, 99 is einsteinium, 100 is fermium, 101 is mendelevium, 102 is novelium, 103 is lawrentium. Next, 104 is rutherfordium, 105 is dubanium, 106 is seaborgium, 107 is borium, 108 is osmium, 109 is metallium, 110 is dermestium, 111 is lanthanum, 112 is copernicium, 113 is nihonium, 140 is tellurium, 150 is moscovium, 160 is livermorium, 170 is tennessine, 180 is augustin. Okay, dear students, see here in this periodic table, in first period two elements are present, hydrogen and helium, and in second period 8 elements are present, atomic number 3 lithium, 4 beryllium, 5 boron, 6 carbon, 7 nitrogen, 8 oxygen, 9 fluorine, 10 neon. Next, in 3 period also 8 elements are present, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Next, in 4 periods 18 elements are present, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton. Next, in 5 period also 18 elements are present, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine, xenon. In next 6 period, here 32 elements are present. See here, cesium, barium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium. Next, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, aurum, mercury, thallium, lead, bismuth, polonium, astatine, radon. In next 7 periods, also 32 elements are present, from francium to augustin, francium, radium, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, novelium, lawrentium, and rutherfordium, dubanium, seaborgium, borium, osmium, metallium, dysprosium, lanthanum, copernicium, nihonium, tellurium, moscovium, livermorium, tennessine, augustin. Okay, dear students, see here in this periodic table 18 groups are present in one group. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 elements are present in 2 groups. Also 7 elements are present. Helium is situated here, but it is actually its position is there. So in total S block elements are 14, or see here, in total B block elements 14 elements are present. This is 3D series from 21 scandium to 30 zinc and 39 yttrium to 48 cadmium, known as 4D series. 5D series start from 57 lanthanum to 80 Hg. 6D series start from actinium to 112 copernicium. In P block, see here, 5 boron to 10 neon, 13 aluminium to 18 argon, 31 gallium to 36 krypton, 49 indium to 54 xenon, 81 thallium to 86 radon, 130 neonium to 180 oxygen. So we can say in P block total 36 elements are present. Okay, dear student, see again in this periodic table. In S block elements, the electronic configuration of S block elements are NS1 to 2. In P block elements, electronic configuration of NS2 NP1 to 6. In D block elements, electronic configuration is N-1 D1 to 10 NS2. In F block elements, electronic configuration is N-2 F1 to 14 N-1 D0 to 1 and H2